Everybody knows what a rock is, but knowing what that rock consists of, the densities, the absorption rate, you're taking part of the earth and developing out of that stone a product. We drill it, we blast it, load it up to our crushers, process it, ship by rail. You know that when you leave here, you drive on it on your way home. You've been a part of building communities and paving the way. There's quarry operations all over the world, but to do this in your backyard, knowing that what you're producing is coming from your hometown, that stone from your backyard, you're helping all across the United States. From people coming in their personal pickup trucks, the asphalt customers, to the concrete plants, the Corps of Engineers, to the farmers. It's something that's in high demand. It's just a good feeling.
Our parts are highly cosmetic, so the technology that is required is very complex. We're putting parts on about 50% of all automobiles here in the United States. Somebody could have an idea and we could take that idea, we can help design it, and we could build a tool, come up with a material, and we could actually produce the part somebody wanted to run. To accomplish somebody's dream, it's pretty satisfying, and our people can pretty much make any kind of plastic part. We basically make over 2,000 different products. Gun stocks for Remington, for Marlin, for Ruger and Daniel Defense, laundry baskets for Walmart, Target, trash cans, parts of the Toyota Highlander, the Toyota Corolla, the Camry, the Nissan Maxima, the Nissan Altima. To produce a good, highly cosmetic part is very difficult. We've been doing this for a long time and have a lot of great people, and that's what sets us apart and sets this area apart, because our people are very skilled and they know what they're doing.
We have people that have been with us over 25 years. We have generations that have been with us. Very dependable, very creative. They contribute every day to putting Par 4 on a map across this country. We were a true startup company in 1990. Had no customers, just a vision, just a little bit of money to try to start something with, and our community surrounded us, they embraced us, they helped us, and here we are today, over 200 people, and growing in the same community, and we're still supported by, and we have amazing people in this area, and I feel blessed to live here.
To know that you've provided for your family and been able to do the things that your family and yourself want to do in life, that should make a person proud that their family has not had any wants, that they've supplied everything that they've needed in life. And I feel like this company is a company that has allowed myself and my employees to do that for their families. As a company, we want to be number one. We take pride in what we produce. We want people that work for us to be proud of who they work for, what they've accomplished, their accomplishments at their job, and what their job has given them to accomplish outside of work. And that's what I'm proud of.